Install termite baiting systems during new home construction to detect and control colonies before they cause damage. When planning termite baiting for new construction, place in-ground bait stations around the full building perimeter at the spacing recommended by the manufacturer and local guidelines, typically every 10 to 20 feet, depending on soil and landscape features. Choose proven chitin synthesis inhibitors like Hexaflumuron or Noviflumuron as the active ingredient because they stop molting and collapse colonies over time and follow label mixing and placement instructions exactly. Install stations at the soil line with the monitoring unit top flush with finished grade so natural foraging patterns discover the bait, and protect stations from heavy grading or concrete pours by coordinating placement with the site superintendent. Establish a monitoring schedule of at least once every 3 months during the first 2 years and adapt frequency based on activity, increasing checks after heavy rains or site changes. Pair baiting with a professional monitoring plan that documents station checks, bait consumption, and any observation of swarms or mud tubes, and keep those records with the home warranty documents for future owners. Integrate bait stations with any installed liquid chemical barrier by ensuring the chosen liquid product does not repel foraging termites from the bait and by consulting product compatibility charts to avoid counterproductive interactions. Common mistakes are poor placement, using ineffective baits, and irregular monitoring, and each has a simple fix. Placing stations too far from potential entry points or at inconsistent depths limits discovery, so mark and map station locations, set consistent depths, and adjust spacing to fit soil and landscaping features. Relying on non-registered or low-efficacy baits wastes time, so select baits with demonstrated colony elimination like Hexaflumuron or Noviflumuron and follow label dwell times. Skipping scheduled inspections lets colonies establish unnoticed, so commit to a documented inspection plan, train the crew or hire a qualified monitor, and log every check to catch issues early. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners seeking termite prevention with local contractors and lists project types, including proactive baiting for new construction, so we help people find options that match their needs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and learn best practices about installation, monitoring, and product choices.